Hey everyone, so it's Pam and today I'm going to do a little review and I'm going to try to do it rather quickly. Right now it's like 6:49 a.m. I woke up at 6:04 or got up at 6:04. But yeah, let's get started. Coffee sip of coffee. I will be reviewing the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. And I will be reviewing the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream with 3 essential ceramides. About both of these this past January. My skin type is dehydrated, dry, prone to redness, as you can see a little bit right now. Very sensitive. I bought mine on Kaola.com, which is like the Chinese version of an Amazon. I'll link down below where you can purchase the items. So I'll be giving you quotes regarding the price that I found on Amazon. Ultra Repair Cream, the one I have, is 2 ounces. On Amazon, 2-ounce one I think runs for $6 on Amazon. 6 ounces of the product, which would be like a tub, a jar, it is $30. This one on Amazon that I found, and this one is 12 ounces. The 12-ounce one is $11.47. So, I mean, there alone you're talking about a difference of a $25 difference, almost. And either way, even if you get the 6 ounce and you buy this one, the 12 ounce, you're getting double the amount in the tub or jar, and you're saving about $25. So let's just get started. I just applied my essence. I haven't applied any moisturizer. So on this side of my face, I will be using the CeraVe cream, and on this side of my face, I will be using the Ultra Repair cream. I think for the typical person, it will last them maybe like 6 months. For me, it lasted me almost 3.5 months. That's because I would use it morning and night. I wouldn't use it all over my body, although you can. And I would also use it during the daytime, sometimes like in the middle of the day, to touch up. And I apply quite a lot because I have really, really dry skin. If I turn it upside down, the product will not fall off or fall out of the jar. It's very thick consistency, not oily. The claims on this product are that it has 3 essential ceramides, and it's accepted in the Eczema National Association. It's for normal to dry skin, and it has MVE delivered technology, which provides all-day hydration, hyaluronic acid, which retains skin's natural moisture. It's fragrance-free and it's non-irritating, all which I find to be very true. This one is also fragrance-free. This one you can also use for like normal to dry skin. It has oatmeal, shea butter, allantoin, and a fab oxidant booster, which is supposed to help against environmental aggressors. It has licorice root, feverfew, and white tea extract. In terms of scent, they are both fragrance-free. However, this one, the First Aid Beauty, has a very like medicinal like smell. It smells like just like medicinal, like kind of like a tea, but not quite. The CeraVe absolutely has no scent. This is how it looks. This is the Ultra Repair cream, and this is the CeraVe. Now I'm gonna apply. I apply quite a big amount, and I always bring it down my neck. I have to head work in a few minutes, and I want to drink my coffee and my protein shake. But this is CeraVe on this side of my face. Now on this side of my face, I will apply the Ultra Repair cream from First Aid Beauty. I find like I can rub in the CeraVe one a bit easier onto my skin. So I mean, can you guys tell a difference? I really can't tell a difference. The texture, I would say, is very similar. I mean, if I go like this, it won't really bounce off my skin for either or. They both provide quite a similar feel. In terms of lasting hydration, I do believe that both products do what they claim. They do moisturize the skin. I do think it's suitable for very dry skin. I do think that they're both gentle on the skin. At first it did tingle my skin when I would use it. I think this one you can also use all over your body, but I mean, for the price, you might as well just use it on your face. Overall, I think if you're looking to buy a cream for your face that moisturizes and that is gentle and will help you with your skin issues, whether you have eczema or sensitive skin. I think even if you have oily skin, you can go ahead and use it. Just apply a smaller amount. Both of these, they don't leave my skin feeling oily. They don't make me feel like I have too much on there. So that's what I love about both of these products. That it moisturizes, but it does not make you feel oily. It does not make it slick. I think if anything, the First Aid Beauty one has a bit more like a slick texture than the CeraVe one, but none of them are tacky. They both sit well under makeup. They're both comfortable. I would totally recommend purchasing the CeraVe. This one is the champion. This one is the winner for me, the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I just think that for the price, it's well worth it. Unless you want to pay double the amount and get half the product, then go for this one. But if you want to save money, and it's not only an issue of saving money, I just think this is better overall. I like how this one makes my skin feel. I like that it never made my skin feel like tingly or anything like that. Definitely the champion is the CeraVe one. Check it out, and if you have any questions that I didn't answer, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.